Okay, so this is a requested video. I can't remember your name who requested it, but I'll put an annotation on the screen in a minute. Requested I vacuum up some leaves, but I said the closest thing I have is sawdust, so, well, here it is. I don't really know what you wanted to see, and I didn't really know which vacuum you wanted, but I'm using my Numatic Henry. More or less a brand new bag. It's got a bit of dirt inside, but it's the 580 watt HPR 200A2, so I'll just do a patch with the hose, patch with the upholstery tool, and a couple of plasters, or finishing up with the floor tool. But I mean, like I say, I don't really know what you wanted to see, so I hope this does for you. I'm using that bit for now. So, like I say, I don't know what you wanted to see, but if it ain't what you wanted, just put, you know, what you want. Well, like I say, I didn't exactly know what you wanted to see, but, well, there you are. If you have any other requests, anybody, just feel free to message me or whatever, and I will probably do it. But, yeah, so, there you are.